Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to Abake town, eastern side of Nigeria. Today we are going to our building site. We are building a investment property. I'm so excited to go and see because I haven't been there. My husband is the one who came first to start the foundation and he's been there twice. Me, I haven't seen our property. The only thing I know is it was just the empty land that we bought. So we are on our way there to check out what is going on there. So we are with my husband's niece. That is our engineer. He's a civil engineer based in Abakaliki. Sorry if I pronounced that one wrong. So he's the one who's in charge of these projects. We are building 30 apartments. Each apartment contains of 3 bedroom, one dining and kitchen and a sitting room and 3 toilets. So I'm very excited, guys. Let's come along with me. Please like the video, comment and subscribe and share, and let me know how do you feel about this kind of content. As you can see, guys, this is our building. We are taking the second floor. From this one, after decking, we're raising it up. We put another decking and then we roof. It's a 3-story building with 30 apartments. So excited, guys. So you can see us. We are just going in to check what is going on, to check our investment. This is our investment. This is our baby. We've been dreaming about this for a long time. So to see it come to life is very exciting for me, for my whole family, for my husband. We've worked hard to save up money to start this project. So as you can see, our my husband's niece is the civil engineer. He got a company, Collins construction company. So if you are around the Abakaliki, you can contact him. I will leave the link below so that you can contact him. And he is doing a lot of big jobs around Abakaliki. He's doing a lot of big properties around there. He's showing us around how the property looks, how it's growing. As you can see, we are so excited. As you can see me, I'm always glammed down. I was not dressed for the occasion. It was just a spur of a moment thing. He came to pick us and said, let's go to you guys' property so that I will show you the hard work that he has put in. So he's showing us around.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is another bathroom. This must cost. This is like you're staying in your house.
No. It's your house.
Oh, sorry.
No, Mommy, I'm not getting a children.
Yeah, it's like you're staying in your house. It's another for another person.
For people in the parlor. Environment. Use themselves.
This is a...
It's a suit. It's a very wonderful thing. Don't disturb anybody.
It's very big.
When we finish here, you know, if you rent here, you will not remember to do it.
It's very big. And you didn't squeeze the rooms. The rooms there. They are okay.
So that anytime you want to add money, you will add. There is always reason. Anybody that sees this, there is
it's very big. It's like your house. It's a house on its own.
Yes.
Because it's 3 bedroom with how many toilets?
With 4 toilets.
4 toilets.
Like this.
This is a toilet. In the main bedroom, there's a master's. There's a suite in the master's bedroom. In the other side.
In the parlor, there is toilet as well.
And those one who gets the ground floor, they'll enjoy it even more. Yes, because they'll be on the ground.
True. Nothing like what?
Because I like the ground floors the most.
Yeah, just a walkway. You put better for me.
Yes. And you tile this place as well. So
do the small
ceramic.
The one for the stone. The stone.
Okay, the stone one.
Yes, it's made out of
Concrete.
We have that one.
Mommy,
It's for outside. You just put it, you stand when you're washing.
Mommy, let Gogo collect Mela.
Yeah, it's that one for Gogo's house. Yeah, it's big. And the people will be comfortable when we finish. God must help us. So when we finish,
Maybe we're gonna have a country.
it will be a party.
This house is finished.
Yeah, we'll be remaining with
Before June,
touch up.
yeah, touch oil. That's
remaining
what I'm
with
doing.
touch up.
It has stayed.
Yeah.
And God
But
has
it's a
made
big
this
project
God
also.
has made this
You know me, I was not thinking it's this big. The picture didn't do justice.
God has made the source of the money to be permanent. So
The project is big, bro.
And it's a bridge.
Very nice. This one is in the next 10 years to come, in the next 20 years to come, there is no accommodation that will be bigger than this accommodation. Throughout generation.
The person who can stay with these many kids and that.
Very comfortable.
If it's in the toilets, I don't think there's even in South Africa they squeeze the rooms if you are renting. The room will be just small.
They did it here, but you know, as we are growing,
Yeah.
those small rooms will go. People building big rooms will start raining.
Yeah.
That is the reason why I made our own.
And I like it's this place everywhere there's production. People are building.
yeah, when I wash,
For who? Are they
I'm just telling him that that plot is small
at the back?
compared to this our own here.
Girl, after all that walking up and down, checking our property, we had to sit down for some drink. I had to get malt with my fan next to me. You know, there it's hot. So guys, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Remember, God give your heart desires. Whatever that you desire for yourself, God will give it to you. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous. Bye.